All right, welcome back. Now that we've unveiled our mystery meat, we're making a beef flank steak. Chef Anthony has had about 45-50 minutes to prepare it, and here we go. I told him he would have to be ready for his first presentation, basically just explain what's going on, and then you're gonna have another 10 minutes before the final product needs to be done. So what are we doing?
Well, I have asparagus blanching. I have bacon, shallots, and butter in this pot right here. It's absolutely beautiful. Smells wonderful. And that is going to be where I saute my asparagus inside to get it ready to hit your plate.
And what do you have in there to make that?
Bacon, shallots, and butter.
Okay.
I have flour, butter to make a roux. I've added some ground Nigerian pepper and a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes to this. And this is going to make a sauce, which I'm getting ready to pull together now.
What's the key to doing a roux and not letting it burn?
Low heat.
Low heat.
Low heat and pay attention to it.
Okay, just constant stirring.
Yes.
Yes. I did find that while you were prepping, I kept trying to come over and talk to you, and that didn't work well. Like you just wanted me to leave, pretty much.
Well, I get a little sidetracked.
Okay, that roux is coming together quite nicely. I don't know if we can see it if we move this a little bit.
Want to taste?
Sure. Ooh, what'd you say, Nigerian? Oh, that's spicy.
Nigerian chili pepper.
And I have nothing to drink. Ooh. Oh, that's good. Okay, so we've got, you said blanching some asparagus. I'll put that in your bacon and shallot.
Yes. And I've got some toasted sesame oil.
And when you say blanching, you're just boiling it a little bit.
Yes,
basically.
I'm boiling it a little bit to get it started in its cooking process.
Soften it a little.
Softens it a little bit, and it allows me to get all the color that I want. It makes it kind of vibrant and stand out a little bit more.
Yeah.
And then now all I gotta do is toss it in there.
This is a good time of the year for asparagus too, isn't it?
Yes, it is. We get some very beautiful asparagus this time of year. So my sauce is almost done. I'm going to thin it back out just a little bit.
A lot of people they're hunting for wild asparagus this time of the year too.
Oh yeah, I've heard that there's been some good ones. I have a couple students who've been doing that, and they said it's looking absolutely wonderful for their season. And for a starch for your plate, I did some rice.
Yay!
So, and it's not just a steamed rice or a boiled rice. I've actually increased the flavors to it. Turn that oil down just a little bit.
So what did you do in here to add flavor to it?
I added some shallots to it, some butter, and a little bit of the Nigerian chili pepper, and I ground up a habanero.
Ooh, okay. And we are popping something in there.
Yes, we are almost ready to go for our oil.
Okay.
So everything's coming together. I've taken our flank steak and I cut it into thin strips, and I put it between two pieces of plastic wrap, and I pounded it down flat. So it will be cutting it across the grain in pieces about ½ inch thick.
Okay.
And then I pound them down really thin so that I make them tender. Because flank steak is a little bit on the chewy side, a little bit more difficult to use. And
it's okay to be aggressive when you're doing it. I heard
yes.
you went and left the room so you wouldn't get picked up on our mics, but yeah.
Oh yes. And it just lets you keep a hold of everything, and all the flavors come together very nicely for it. So it's just being ready.
Okay, so we are going to go to break while you get ready to put these on. And when we come back, they should be
I will have
pretty
a
close to
finished
finished.
plate for you.
Yes. How long are these going to cook?
3 or 4 minutes.
3 or 4 minutes? That should be perfect. All right, that sounds good. Okay, when we come back, we will be ready to finish up and test our beef flank. What are you calling this?
I haven't got a name for it.
Oh, we got to come up with a name. Our mystery meat challenge will be complete. We'll be right back.